Good morning guys, happy Monday. Welcome to another vlog. It is currently 6:30 a.m. I got up again at 4:45, the same time Steven got up. And I was talking to him last week and I feel like I told him, I was like, I really want to try like getting up an entire week that early and just trying to build it into a habit, because I have always wanted to be like an early morning person. Like, I'm not grumpy in the morning or anything like that, but I wanted to like build it into a habit where I get a lot done in the morning and then like finish my day and like go to bed earlier, like just an entire different like mindset. And the other day when I did it, I felt really good. So I'm gonna try it this week. So I will obviously, you guys can keep me accountable. I will vlog every day. And this is day one of getting up before 5 a.m. in the morning. I am extremely tired. So today is probably gonna be the hardest day, I would think, because I didn't get a lot of sleep last night because we obviously slept in on Sunday. So my body wasn't tired when it should have been in order to get the amount of sleep. But I'm just gonna try to power through today. But if I'm being completely honest, like I am extremely exhausted right now. But you know what? I did my full makeup so that way I'm not tempted to go and sleep on the couch. So here's the day one. I'm just watching an episode of Ginny and Georgia. I love this show. So I just figured I'd do this before I start my day. This is my breakfast today. I've been on a blueberry and clementine kick recently, and I just added some yogurt. And I don't know, something about blueberries and clementines. It's so weird, but I've just been eating them a lot. I was just downstairs in my film area filming a little bit of Valentine's Day content, but I wanted to show you guys. This camera's not set up properly, but how cute is this outfit? I'm so excited. It's part of the Shein haul that will be up this week, so you guys will have already seen that. But it's such a cute vibe. This camera is set up so awkwardly, and I did style it with loafers, which I'm not wearing, and these little socks. Perfect Valentine's Day outfit. I'm having a Southwest chicken avocado salad for dinner, and Steven's having leftover pizza from last night, but I just wasn't feeling it, so this is really yummy though. Good morning guys, happy Tuesday. It is 4:45 a.m. right now. Day two of getting up early. I feel good. I feel very rested today because I did get a lot of sleep last night because I was obviously very tired. So I know that today will be like, I'll be more awake than I was yesterday. I just took some of my vitamins, had a little bit of something to eat and some water because I've been trying to take vitamins like in the morning and like in the evening, like the way that it says on the bottle. And I never really take vitamins. It's not something that I've made a habit out of. Maybe because I've always just kind of thought that it was better to get it through food. And since that, like, I mean, depending on where you live, I feel like you can be in a vitamin deficiency more easily. And since like I don't get a lot of sun, I feel like I'm always like low on stuff. I'm just assuming. I don't know what my levels look like. I've just been feeling very lightheaded, dizzy, and getting a lot of headaches. So I'm starting to think that I'm just low on maybe like vitamin C and D and maybe like B12 or something. And so I did a lot of research and I am gonna start just taking vitamins. So I did that, and I'm gonna make myself actual breakfast soon. But I don't like eating this early, like it's not even 5 a.m. This is my breakfast. I'm gonna have this protein shake because it is 30 grams and tastes pretty good. And I got strawberry yogurt with blueberries and some Reese's Puff for some crunch. And that's hopefully gonna keep me full for a couple hours.
Amazing.
Okay, this is it. This is
Winston, down. He's just been watching TV with me. Get down. You don't have to get closer, silly. Good morning guys, happy Wednesday. I got up early again today. I just was not vlogging because I had the worst, sorry that was so loud, just a cheese string. I had the worst toothache last night and it kept me up, so I didn't sleep very well, so I was very lazy this morning. But I'm just having breakfast right now. Blueberry yogurt with a bunch of blueberries, one of these protein shakes, and a cheese string. If you guys have any advice or ideas as to what like I could eat for breakfast to hit the different food groups, like I like to get some protein in and like fiber and fats or healthy fats or whatever, just so it gives me energy throughout the day, because I majorly notice a difference when I don't do it, like when I just eat cereal compared to when I do something like this. So let your girl know. But yeah, I called my dentist and he's gonna give me a phone call. We're gonna try to see what's going on, why my teeth are so sensitive right now. So anyway, that's what we got going on. And then I am going to go upstairs and do my makeup after this and hopefully film some a YouTube video and some content depending on how my day goes. And then I also need to catch up on some emails, and I have a work Zoom call with a brand. So some things going on, but yeah, that's how my morning's going so far. I just finished my makeup and just did my same everyday glam, and just used a blow dry, the round brush, to do something to my hair because I did not want to wash it and it's quite dirty, so I put dry shampoo and it gave it volume, so happy about that. And now I'm just gonna go take the dogs out and then try to get to work right after that. But I am definitely having a pretty raspy voice. Like, I think I'm coming down with something, and I did have a headache, so I took like a 30-minute nap before I did my makeup, so it kind of helped. Now I'm just gonna try to hydrate and hopefully the headache does not come back. I got a package in, and they are from Jo Fei Fashion, and they're press-on nails. I'm so excited. My goodness, look how cute these are. They're a bit extra. Maybe in the summer this could be a vibe. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, these little blue ones. That's cute. I'm normally more of a neutral girl, but let's see. Oh, this is more my speed. That's perfect. I love those. Green ones. It's always fun in the summer. And we've got these ones. Oh my goodness, I think those are little lemons on there. I don't know exactly, but a pink and yellow moment. And the last pair are these with little gems on there. Okay, I love these. That's so cute. We're having tacos for dinner. I always pick hard shell, and Steven's always doing soft. He's making his right now, but I'm literally starving, and these are delish. What an exhausting day. Oh my goodness, I am so tired, and Steven is so tired. We both did not get a lot of sleep last night. So it's time to remove my makeup and sort of get ready for bed. Wearing this cute little satin pajama set on today's haul that I filmed. Whew. But yeah, today was just crazy. I don't know, just like so tired. But I always look forward to like taking off my makeup and putting on skincare. It's honestly the best. I'm using this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Cleansing Oil as like my step 1 for cleansing, and then I'm gonna go in with this to double cleanse, and then I'll just put my regular skincare on. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. I am so tired already, and I've only been up for like 4 hours, almost 4 hours, because 8:30 I got up at 4:45. Oh my goodness, but let's see how I feel after I eat breakfast. I ordered myself McDonald's breakfast. I haven't had it in so long, so I got a coffee. So I don't know, I'm just feeling it. I actually do not mind McDonald's coffee. I feel like they make pretty good coffee. So good. And then I got kind of my usual. Whenever I do go to McDonald's for breakfast, I always get the same thing, a hash brown. And this is a sesame egg BLT bagel, and I got it with extra lettuce, and it looks delicious. And then I also got a cranberry muffin for later on if I want one. And that's basically what I picked up, or what I got delivered for breakfast. Delicious. This is my outfit for the day, just a matching velour track set. Threw my hair up in a ponytail because it's so dirty and I just didn't want to deal. And I'm gonna go out, take the dogs to the dog park. Hey, cut it out, cut it out. They have a lot of energy, as you guys can hear. Hey. And then I think I might go to the grocery store, but I guess we'll see how it goes. But basically my main reason for leaving is just taking them out.
Hi there. Could I get a grande pistachio latte? Absolutely. And I'm also gonna get the tomato and mozzarella sandwich.
For sure.
And that's heated up, correct?
Yep.
All right, that's everything.
$13.65.
Thank you. I decided to get myself a little Starbucks before I head to the dog park because it's kind of cold outside, but not like really cold, and I'm like, it'll be nice to have like a warm drink. Oh my goodness, I put so much self tanner like on my face and neck last night that I feel like it's a little much. It's better when it blends really well when I put on makeup. That's why I like to do it, but I feel like it's, I don't know, I like it better when I use it to contour instead of putting it everywhere. It just looks kind of weird to me, but yeah. We're just gonna head to the park. All done at the dog park. And now we're gonna get in the car. Good job. This is how I kind of have it set up with Harvey's crate so that he doesn't get trampled on. It's been really good. They were so good at the park. Harvey, ready to go? Yeah. Let's go home and get some water.
It is 8:30 now. I'm finally having something for dinner, just a cup of Mr. Noodles. Steven has a work meeting for dinner, so he's not home yet. He probably should be home shortly, and I'm getting tired, so I'm probably gonna head to bed within the next like 45 minutes or an hour. Probably an hour. No, then it'll be 9:30, so I'm lucky if I get to bed by 10. But yeah, so far that's our day. I'm gonna go watch an episode of This Is Us. Because season 6 finally came on Netflix. I'm trying to catch up because I still haven't finished that show and it's pretty good. So figured I should watch the final season. And that was our day. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Thank goodness it's finally Friday. This week has just been so long, in my opinion. I washed my hair. I temporarily moved my hair wash days to Fridays. I don't know why, but I just did. And I'm gonna go downstairs, make myself some food. And then I'm hoping to edit and upload my Shein video later on today. So I guess we'll see how that goes. But right now, I just really need to get some food because I'm literally so hungry and I have the worst headache. So not sure I'm gonna film any content today, but guess we'll see. This is my breakfast. Honestly, I know it's not much, but my appetite is killing me right now. But I'm just forcing myself to eat because I'm just getting headaches at this point. Just editing my Shein Valentine's Day haul. There's so many cute pieces in here. Like, I'm just so excited for you guys to see this. Hopefully I get it up actually today. If not, then tomorrow, but it's just such a cute haul. It's just watching TV with me. He's taking up that side of the couch. Got Harvey here watching This Is Us.
You seem really happy.
Steven cooked dinner for us, some steak and broccoli and salad. And this is some sesame sauce. He only set up the fire alarm like 3 times.
Well, you weren't down here to help.
You told me that you wanted to do it on your own. Good afternoon, guys. Happy Saturday. Steven's just making us some breakfast burritos for a late breakfast. And I put on this little pink sweater dress that I've been meaning to wear for so long. It's from like my H&M video like haul on YouTube from, I don't know, a couple months ago maybe. I can't quite remember. And then him and I are going to go out. We're going to take the dogs out for some exercise. And then our plan is to maybe go to Winners, go to a coffee shop, just kind of spend some time together. Because he worked a lot this week, so we didn't get a lot of time. You just bulldozed me, baby. Show the inside. Let me see. Ooh, looks yummy. Those ones? I don't know, they're okay. We're just back at this Pixie candy store, guys. It's so cute. Just taking my makeup off. It's been a long day. So my dad's in the hospital. Which is obviously like really tough to even talk about. Steven's been trying to distract me all day. Hasn't really been working, I guess. Basically what happened was my mom has, so for those of you who don't know, my dad has Parkinson's and dementia. I have mentioned it over the years, but for those of you who are new here, he's had this since I was 11. So it's gotten to the point where like my dad just like can't do anything for himself. Like the dementia is so bad that he, like, we don't talk to him. Like we can't have conversations anymore. With that comes like so many other things. So my mom has to have some help, like for somebody to come and like give him showers like a couple times a week and just stuff like that. So the nurse had like came over and like did that, and my dad's body had like completely like lost all like muscle, like it like just completely like limp. So I guess she like started freaking out because she's like, something's wrong, and they called an ambulance and had my dad brought into the hospital. And yeah, they're doing a bunch of tests. Like, my mom is still there obviously with him, and they checked a bunch of different things, and they moved him to another floor, and they're still working on stuff. Like, that's basically all I have in terms of like an update. Like, I know he's gonna be okay, or at least I hope so. I have to believe that. But I just don't think, even though my dad's been sick for so long, it just never gets easier, which is so hard. But I'm just gonna try to like pray about it and stay hopeful and try not to worry and hopefully get some sleep, even though I feel like that's a bit of a long shot at this point.
Good morning, guys. Are you gonna say good morning, Steven?
No.
Happy Sunday. We're just being lazy on the couch, just the usual routine. Got Harvey here, eating a little potato. Steven's just trying to find something for us to watch. We honestly do the same thing every single Sunday. We need to start switching it up, but...
You're too lazy to switch it up.
You're the one that's lazy. I wanted to go to the grocery store, and you were like, no.
You can go to the grocery store. You don't need me to go with you.
I think I'm going to place an online grocery order and pick it up tomorrow morning, but... Yeah, I know. Steven made himself a nice breakfast. I already had mine. I had a smaller version of this, but looks really pretty. He didn't make mine look that pretty.
Suck it.
I just came upstairs to like brush my hair and kind of just freshen up a little bit. I feel like whenever we have really lazy Sundays, I'm always like, I need to go upstairs and like brush my teeth again or like brush my hair because I just feel like a slob. But it's okay. I really need the downtime. As for my dad, my mom gave me a little bit of an update. He definitely has some of his strength back, but they can't seem to figure out what happened. So they're keeping him at the hospital. He's still there. And they obviously have him on a drip, and they're doing lots of blood work, lots of tests, different things like that, just trying to get to the bottom of it. But as of right now, I'm just happy to hear that it's like better and not worse, so I'm grateful.
We're having peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for dinner. We already kind of had dinner somewhat earlier, so we're having two dinners broken up, and we're watching Bob's Burgers. We're being kids right now.
All right, I'm just sitting down, finishing editing this vlog. It's about 8:30 right now, and I was picking out something on my upper lip, and now it's so red and irritated. I don't really know what it was. Anyway, our Sunday was honestly like super lazy, just kind of the usual, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in next week's vlog.